Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change the download location in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and go to the three dot on the top right. And go to Settings. In Settings, go to the menu called Downloads. And you will see an option called Location. And basically, this is the path where your download are saved. You can change it from here. Just click on Change. And change it to any folder as you prefer. Now there is also an option called Ask where to save file before downloading. And you can also toggle the Show Download when they are done. If you toggle this on, you will be notified when a download is finished. And that's it. We just changed the default download folder in Chrome and enabled optional prompts to manage where files are saved. For better organization, thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.